Feel like you're missing out on some seriously clever kitchen finds? These hidden Amazon gadgets are the kind that make cooking faster, easier, and way more satisfying without you even realizing it. From smart prep tools to space-saving essentials, they're designed to simplify your routine in the best way possible. All products are linked in the description below. Grating cheese no longer has to turn into a mini arm workout. This wireless electric grater shreds hard cheese, carrots, cucumbers, and zucchini with the press of a single button, giving you clean, even cuts in seconds. The 3 interchangeable blades let you switch between slicing and shredding, so it's just as useful for salads as it is for pizza night. Because it's cordless and USB-C rechargeable, you can use it anywhere without dealing with messy wires. It also comes apart quickly for easy rinsing, making cleanup almost as fast as the prep itself. Pour-over coffee feels like a craft when your kettle gives you total control. This elegant gooseneck electric kettle heats water fast and lets you choose the exact temperature, helping your coffee taste smoother and your tea taste just right. The narrow curved spout gives you a slow, steady stream, so you can pour exactly where you want without splashing. A built-in timer helps you stay consistent, which means better flavor every time you brew. It even keeps water warm for up to an hour, so your next cup is ready whenever you are. Your morning coffee just got way easier. This slim single-serve coffee maker fits neatly into tight kitchens, desks, dorms, or any small corner without taking over your space. You simply add fresh water, drop in a pod, and your cup is ready in minutes exactly how you like it. It lets you brew different cup sizes, so whether you need a quick sip or a bigger boost, you're covered. The removable tray even makes room for travel mugs, while hidden cord storage keeps your counter looking clean and clutter-free. Baking gets a whole lot more fun when your mixer does the heavy lifting for you. This compact stand mixer handles everything from fluffy whipped cream to cookie dough and bread mixes without taking up much counter space. The multi-speed controls let you start slow for gentle mixing or turn it up when you need extra power for thicker batters. Its stainless steel bowl gives you plenty of room to work, while the whisk, beater, and dough hook cover all your everyday baking needs. Best of all, the attachments are dishwasher safe, so cleanup stays quick and easy after the fun part. Great coffee starts long before the water hits the beans. This professional Burr Grinder gives you smooth, even grounds, which helps your espresso taste richer and your drip coffee come out more balanced. With 30 grind settings, you can easily switch from fine espresso powder to coarser French press texture depending on what you're making. It can grind directly into your portafilter, keeping the process fast and much less messy. The anti-static system also helps stop coffee dust from flying everywhere, so your counter stays as clean as your brew tastes. Toast gets a serious upgrade when your toaster feels this smart. The touchscreen lets you choose different bread types and browning levels with simple icons, so getting your perfect toast feels almost effortless. Once you press start, it automatically lowers the bread and lifts it back up when it's ready, adding a sleek, high-tech feel to your morning routine. A digital countdown shows exactly how much time is left, so you're never left guessing. With even heating and easy cleanup, it turns a basic breakfast task into something surprisingly satisfying. Garlic prep doesn't have to leave your fingers smelling all day. This clever cube press lets you mince, slice, crush, or dice garlic in one compact tool, making meal prep faster and way less messy. Just place the clove inside, press down, and you get neat pieces ready for pasta, stir-fries, or marinades in seconds. It also works great for small herbs when you want quick flavor without pulling out a knife and board. The detachable design makes cleanup simple too, so you spend more time cooking and less time scrubbing. Steak night feels instantly more professional when you have the right tool in your hand. This meat tenderizer uses sharp stainless steel needles to gently pierce through the meat, breaking down tough fibers so everything cooks up softer and juicier. It also creates tiny channels that help your seasoning soak deeper, so every bite is packed with more flavor. The retractable safety guard keeps the needles covered when you're not using it, making it safer to store and handle. Movie night gets a serious upgrade when popcorn is this easy. This hot air popper turns simple kernels into a big fluffy bowl of popcorn in just a few minutes, and it does it without any oil for a lighter snack. The built-in measuring cup helps you get the perfect amount every time, so you're never left with too little or too much. It even melts butter right on top while it pops, giving you that classic cinema-style flavor at home. When you're done, cleanup is quick since there's no greasy mess to deal with, and the compact design stores away easily until the next snack craving hits. Fresh herbs always seem to go bad right when you need them most. This smart herb saver keeps basil, cilantro, mint, and other greens fresh for weeks by giving them the perfect balance of water and airflow. You simply rinse your herbs, place them inside, and add fresh water through the top opening to keep them hydrated. The clear design protects the leaves from getting crushed while still letting you see exactly what's inside your fridge. It fits neatly in most fridge doors, helping you waste less and keep your cooking full of fresh flavor every day. Tofu that actually soaks up flavor starts right here. This adjustable tofu press removes excess water fast, so your meals taste richer and cook better. Just twist the top dial and the built-in spring applies steady pressure, giving you an even press in about 10 to 30 minutes without cracking the block. A smart drip tray keeps everything in place, while the pour spout lets you drain water without opening it. You get cleaner prep, better texture, and tofu that finally delivers on taste. Cutting a pineapple doesn't have to feel like a workout. This 3-in-1 slicer peels, cores, and slices the fruit in one smooth motion. Just cut the top, twist it in, and you'll get perfect rings in seconds with the tough core already removed. The wedger attachment turns those rings into evenly sized chunks for easy serving. Made with stainless steel, it's durable, and cleanup is as simple as tossing it in the dishwasher. Fresh pasta at home just got a serious upgrade. This 3-in-1 attachment rolls, cuts, and shapes your dough all in one go. You can choose from multiple thickness settings, so your pasta turns out exactly how you like it. The built-in cutters create classic spaghetti or fettuccine in seconds, saving you time and effort. It's easy to clean, comes with a drying rack, and turns your kitchen into a mini pasta studio. Big, crispy meals without taking up big space. This slim air fryer fits easily into your kitchen while still handling full batches of your favorite foods. You can choose from multiple presets or adjust the temperature to cook things exactly how you like. The ceramic nonstick coating keeps food from sticking, so cleanup stays quick and simple. With fast air circulation, you get that golden crunch using little to no oil. Cooking indoors doesn't have to mean smoke everywhere. This portable range hood pulls in fumes right at the source, keeping your space fresh and clean. It uses a dual filter system, where the oil filter traps grease and the charcoal filter absorbs odors for hours. You can switch between 3 fan speeds depending on what you're cooking. Just plug it in, place it nearby, and enjoy cleaner air without needing a full kitchen setup. Sparkling water whenever you want. No noise, no hassle. This soda maker turns plain water into fizzy refreshment in just a few presses. It runs silently, so you can use it anytime without that loud burst you usually expect. Just fill the bottle, lock it in, and press to control how bubbly you want it. No electricity needed, and you skip buying bottles while enjoying fresh soda at home. Your pantry just got a serious upgrade. This rotating grain dispenser stores multiple staples in one clean, organized system. With 6 separate compartments, you can keep rice, lentils, beans, and more all in one place. Just press a button and it releases a measured portion, so you don't overpour or make a mess. The 360-degree rotating base lets you easily switch between sections, while the airtight seal keeps everything fresh longer. Say goodbye to uneven slices and slow prep. This handheld mandolin turns your kitchen into a precision slicing station. With multiple blade settings, you can switch from paper-thin slices to thicker cuts, or even perfect julienne in seconds. The built-in food holder keeps your fingers safe while giving you even results every time. A non-slip handle and base keep everything steady, so you can slice quickly without slipping or sliding. Avocado prep just got way easier. This all-in-one tool handles everything from start to finish in seconds. It splits the avocado cleanly, removes the pit with a quick twist, and slices it into perfect pieces without the mess. The stainless steel pitter grips the seeds safely, so you don't risk slipping with a knife. A soft, non-slip handle keeps it comfortable in your hand, making every step smooth and simple. Fresh greens without a backyard? That's the idea. This vertical hydroponic tower lets you grow herbs and veggies right inside your home. It waters and feeds plants automatically, so you don't have to worry about daily care. Built-in LED lights mimic sunlight, helping your plants grow faster and healthier year-round. You can even control timing with a smart system, making the whole process simple and hands-off. Perfect for small spaces, but big harvests. Skip the coffee shop and make cafe-style drinks at home. This handheld milk foamer turns ordinary milk into smooth, creamy microfoam in seconds. A high-speed motor spins fast enough to create that silky texture perfect for lattes and cappuccinos. You can switch between speeds for more control, whether you want light foam or dense creaminess. It's USB-C rechargeable and waterproof, so cleaning is as simple as rinsing it under the tap. Big meals from a small, smart cooker. This mini rice cooker handles way more than just rice. With multiple cooking modes, you can make soups, oatmeal, porridge, and more with a single tap. The one-touch controls keep things simple, while the delay timer lets you plan meals around your day. A non-stick inner pot means nothing sticks, and cleanup is quick. Compact and portable, it's perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or easy everyday cooking. Perfect pancakes without the mess? Yes, please. This batter dispenser gives you full control with every pour. Just fill it up, pull the handle, and release the perfect amount exactly where you want it. The built-in valve stops drips instantly, so your counter stays clean. Measurement markings help you stay consistent, while the wide opening makes refilling quick and easy. From pancakes to cupcakes and waffles, it keeps everything neat and evenly portioned. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.